Hey guys, it's Jen from Beautyriotx, and today we're doing our battle of the boxes between BoxyCharm that I paid for against Ipsy Plus that I paid for. So, without further ado, here we go. Theme for this month is fantasy, and ooh, yes, this is what I wanted. This is what I picked out? I don't remember. Either way, this is the Alamar Cosmetics Hydrating Complexion Trio. I kept wanting to try the new blush palette and the bronzer palette, but I couldn't get a hold of any. But this is basically like a really nice light bronzer palette, which is exactly what I wanted. They're all matte except for the lightest one, which is like a satin matte, it looks like. But they feel really good. Like they feel really smooth and buttery. So I'm very excited to play with this. And this is like a really nice light contour or bronzer that I would use. Make Me Up Mystic turned me on to Hula Light, and it's like one of the best bronzers ever. So, all right, and that retails for $25. I don't know, that seems a little much. I feel like 15 would be really good for this. 25 seems a little, yeah. The next product in here is the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. This is a scalp treatment. Part the hair into sections, apply 1 to 2 drops into each partition and massage into scalp. So I'm a hairstylist, I'm a professional, and that's one of the things like I never use. Like I never do any like scalp treatments, nothing like that. So I'm definitely gonna try this. This retails for $79. What? And just a nice little glass bottle. I'll let you guys know how that is actually. I'm intrigued. Something else from mudmasky. I know we got something from this before, like something to put on like before a mask or after a mask? I don't know, it was weird. This is a vitamin infused eye serum. This retails for $63. What? You get an ounce in here, okay? The delicate skin around your eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of your face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging. Don't I know it? Dark circles and fine lines. The eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C superfood, essential for firming, with a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect. The serum's ideal for all skin types. I don't see any bad alcohol in this ingredient list, so that's exciting. Results after 3 to 4 weeks, it says. All right, I'll definitely try this. Ugh, another friggin' eye pencil. This is from $1 Billion Brows. Brows on Point waterproof micro brow pencil in the shade taupe. I got this in my PR box, and I will be giving it away. And this retails for $16. The last thing in here is from Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter in French Pearl. I thought it was a lip gloss at first, but it's not. And this retails for $25. A plumping liquid highlighter infused with rapid skin lifting system VIN Uplift to firm and tighten fine lines. This pearlescent formula gives up the plumping and moisturizing power to give you a radiant luminescent glow. I just put on highlighter, so I mean, I'm not gonna use this, but so it's just kind of a nice neutral shade. I don't think you can tell, it's very, very subtle. But that actually looks like a really good shade for me, so I'm definitely going to try this. Now the question is going to be, is this going to dry? And it doesn't feel like it's oily or anything like that. So I have to say, side note, if you watched my PR unboxing for BoxyCharm, I think this box was better. So you know, the one that I bought. Let's see how Ipsy did for the month of July. All right, so now for Ipsy's bag for the month of July. This is the theme Stay Golden. I'm not gonna hold my breath about an informative card. They have stopped doing that. All right, the first thing I see is, I think I picked this out. So this is the 111 Skin 3-phase Anti-Blemish Booster. I really liked their anti-pollution booster that we got like months back. I'm actually almost done it. A comprehensive collection of purifying, radiance-enhancing, state-of-the-art products resurface and revive blemish-prone and dull skin. How to use it. Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer and apply directly to skin after cleansing. All right, the next is, once again, a acne-prone product. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. It just says apply damp skin, warm lather, rinse well with warm water. I'm actually gonna hold off on this because I already have a cleanser that is for like when I break out and stuff, so I'll save this for the next time. The next is the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncuffed. Take this out too? I'm not sure. I've never actually used any Fenty lip products. Like I know everybody loves their like gloss balm or whatever, and I know people loved the red version of this. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's very your lips but better kind of thing. Well, I'm interested to see the formula feels. Actually, I put it on. Yeah, maybe I'll put it on. But this lip color I have on now is from the Linda Hallberg Beauty Collection. This is the Velvet Couture Liquid Lipstick in Nougat. You can also use this as a liquid eyeshadow too, which I've done. It's also gorgeous. It's very liquidy, but it's very pretty. I'm interested to see how it dries down. The Linda Hallberg that I was wearing, it almost dries down, like it semi-dries down. It doesn't completely, but it's not gloss. Like it's a matte finish, but it's perfection. It's probably one of the best ones I've ever tried. All right, the next is the Tart C Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask, and it's in the shade Toasted Coconut. Vitamin E, algae, squalane, hyaluronic acid, marine plant collagen, 12-hour hydration, and dermatologist tested. And it just comes in a little tube. It's just like a very, very faintly colored balm. Smells coconutty. And actually, I like the feel of that very much. It's not too like slick or oily, but you can tell it's going to be hydrated. Ooh, that feels really good. Oh, I'm excited to try that. I'm gonna use that today too. And the last thing in here is, this is the Beauty For Real Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette in Golden Hour. Oh, wow. This reminds me very much of the Wander Beauty palettes, like how they're kind of set up this way. This looks gorgeous. And honestly, even though I'm not a huge metallic fan, wow, these are pretty amazing. What? Also very nice. Very, very pigmented. I love that Horizon shade right here. These are really nice. I'm very excited to try this. I wish there was one more like light transition shade, but I'll just use something from another palette. But yeah, that was it. I'm actually gonna give it to Ipsy because I loved basically everything. I mean, I'm a little like meh about the cleanser, but everything else, like, I'm really excited for. So congratulations, Ipsy, you did it! World's best cup of coffee. So that was it. Let me know what you guys got in your BoxyCharm, Boxy Premium, or your Ipsy for the month of July. Oh, and next month is, again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing a normal Battle of the Boxes. Actually, I don't know. We're just gonna wait because next month I do the Glam Ultimate or whatever it is, the new big one, and Halsey curated, maybe not, August box. So I'm very excited for that. Hopefully we get some more of her stuff in here, which I'm assuming we would. I only got one thing from her brand before, About Face, is that what it's called? And it was a really cool, I loved the packaging. It was a really cool lip color, but it was too like grayish purple for me. Like I looked like a moron. So that's all I've tried from her so far. So I'm very interested to try more. Hopefully we get more this month. That was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.